Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about how to convert the PowerPoint which is being created in any PowerPoint presentation software to PDF. Okay, so if you use Microsoft PowerPoint, it is very easy to do that. So here I made a presentation for my grade 12 students and the topic Python programming and the subject artificial intelligence, and let me show you how to convert this into a PDF. Okay, for that go to file and select save or save as. So when you're doing it for the first time, you can select save, and better you select save as. Okay, and then change the location wherever you wanted to save. You just browse the location and go to that particular location where you wanted to save that PDF. Okay, I'm just going to the desktop now. The If you wanted to change the name of it, you can change it. Fine. And then here we go. Here save as type is given as PowerPoint presentation. Click over here. You have PDF option. Click on it and then come here and select save. That's it. So your PPT is being converted into the PDF format. Okay. So now you could see, yes, the PDF is ready. Okay. So that's it. This is that easy to convert your PPT into PDF. Fine. Hope you like it. We'll meet you in other video. Thank you. Happy learning.